How to save live Instagram video. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application in our mobile device, and after which we're going to click on the plus icon in order for us to create a live video. So simply go to live, and after which what you're going to do is to hit on the live button in the center right here. So there it will check your connection first and then you're going live afterwards. So after that, what you're going to do is to end the video, and then let's go to view in live archive. So in here, you're going to see your live archive, and then you can go to your settings. As you can see, the video is still processing. So in your settings, you can save to archive by enabling it. Okay, now once done, we're going to discard the media afterwards. Click on discard, and after which we're going to our profile in the lower left hand corner, or lower right hand corner rather, of our Instagram app. Now the next thing is to click on the hamburger button in the upper right hand corner and go to your archive section, and in here you can see your live video and you can simply download it. Wait for about 1 hour or so in order for you to download the video. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.